everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sensibility. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Niki Live account. So if you want to delete your Niki Live account and you're finding it difficult or you don't know how to do it, sit tight. I want this video to the very end. All you need to do here is to log in your Niki Live account. When your Niki Live, just like this, you click on the me icon on the bottom of your screen. On your profile, just like this, you click on setting on the top right corner of your screen. Then you click on account security. All you need to do here is to account binding. You need to bind your phone number, your Gmail. Facebook is optional. Once you're done binding your phone number, if you don't know how to do it, all you need to do is to put in your phone number. You will receive a code. You type in the code, then set a password you want. Then you can now click on account cancellation. Once you click on account cancellation, you can now cancel your Niki Live account. So guys, that's it. If you found this video useful, please do it to click the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.